Zombie apocalypse.
This is AGA Forex. Good evening today. Good evening to you all. I'm here to share something to you. I'm really impressed today. I was very happy about myself today. Those in my BIP group have seen how I showed them a supportive aspect of boom and crash. There is a way, if you are trading a boom and crash, that you support your trades, so that if you are trading, does not mean if you enter one market, if the market stalks you, you'll just stick to that market and continue to hold it till it blow your account. No. If you are holding a negative position in your trades, make sure you have what we call a supportive trade. What it means by a supportive trade, I don't know. I've never heard of somebody discussing about it with respect to this before, but as for me today, I decided to title it supportive trade. Probably I'm driving it from dual supportive, so I'm supporting my trade with it. So it just as if you are just trying to support something with respect to you doing one or two things to attach to that, so that we should understand. So that's the basis and the generics of this trade, of this backup called supportive trade. So the next thing I want you to understand is that anytime you are buying a boom and crash market, always try to understand something. If the market is not going, if the market did not break your major swing low or swing high, even if you are negative, please don't close your trade. You can risk some certain percentage of your account. You can decide to risk probably 10%, 15%, 20% of your account. It depends on the amount you want to risk. Like the signal I give today, I give in my BIP group. This is where we started the market here. Let me give you an instance. You see, this is where we got into the market. As in from here, where? Here, sorry. This is where we entered. This is where I entered. Because we got this confirmation. We got this confirmation and we just entered. Let me bring another one. Let me show you here. Let me show you how to rescue a trade. Rescue any trade in this world. Any trade, I said. Despite it forex, boom and crash, volatility 75, volatility 100, any instrument that you can use to trade the market, you can use this strategy to it, and you backtest it on this strategy and you can get the result. Let me show you what I mean. Just look at the market here from this aspect. After we get this confirmation that the market has crossing down here, so despite it's just a low level, I don't suppose to enter this market because the market has already retraced for today, but I just risked it and I took it. After I took it, just 1-2 spike caught. Before you know, the market continued to spike up again. Look at it. Just imagine, see how the market spikes. The market spikes and go as high as almost getting to 170 to 80 pips, because this my account has been reading almost minus 700 plus on this trade. These are the supportive trades. I entered this first one when this market was stocked. I entered this crash 1000. I just take, because I know say the market is not in a very good shape and good mood, I try to create a supportive trade with the same 5 lot I use. I back it up with almost $145. So I take the market will retrace back again. The market continue to raise. I will leave this one. I will have not closed the profit and allow, because the market move is opposite directly. Sometimes if crash 1000 is going high, boom 1000 will be doing the same thing. Sometimes vice versa. So I'm not being greedy. I just close it and leave it. I got another opportunity. I take how many candles? This is it. I take 15 candles from this one. With the same loss that I get $77. I take another position. I get what is it called? I get 10 pips here. 10 pips making is $50. Generally, I have generated $273 in just supporting my trades. And look at it now. See the market. Let me show you the aspect of this market from the 4 hours chart. Let me show you. You will understand something today, something that nobody has ever taught you this in your life. When you are trading market, does not mean if you go to enter a wrong position, you will be stuck to the wrong position and the market will continue to be on your opposite direction and you finally blow your account or lose your money. That's not how the market works. The market works in such a way that whatever you need to do is good, you do it for yourself and help yourself about it. Let me show you. So from here, we look at it, this market, we entered around here, I think, and the market make this move with us. So this is a strong resistance because the market is testing this resistance for the first time. So I notice it's a strong resistance, but since this market was able to break out this resistance for the first time, so if market reach another resistance, no matter how less strong that resistance is, that market cannot break it for the first time it move. It has to retrace back downward and gather enough momentum to break, and because it just break a strong strength. So the market has already make this move after the breakout. So the breakout will go. The market will not be continue going down. It has to come. But the market, let me tell you something you do understand about market. Market is just simple analysis that what happened to you today from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. is not the same thing that will happen to you from tomorrow, but you can get another thing. But still, as the time goes on, you can be picking one or two things that is similar to your past days. So you are studying the market, you are analyzing the market, you are using any kind of confluence to support your market. And I have an issue today. I'm sorry. I discussed about how to reduce lot size yesterday. I think I need to close this trade. It's giving me $39. I promised to close this trade in front of everybody here. It was $20 something, but now it's giving me $39. So let me just be going. I just took three trades today. And the market, I am expecting the market to hit this TP, but probably before I close this video, before I finish the video, I don't want it to be long. I will definitely close the position. I'm sorry, I'm having kata issue. Sorry. Okay, so let's go on. So what you need to understand here is that the moment market make this kind of breakout, so you are expecting the market to respect the next resistance, because the next resistance is not that far. You see, it's not that far. There are two resistances there, you understand? So it's a very, very good thing you understand how the market works. So what I wanted to tell you, to show you what happened today. Somebody, I made a video, I uploaded it yesterday. So I was trying to explain something and I couldn't get it very right. Please let me tell everyone that is listening to AGA Forex here, I'm a very humble and simple, candid mind of human being. So please, whenever I did anything that you think is not good and is wrong for me, please leave a dislike for me and comment on what I did, and I promise you I will definitely change. And anything you want from me, just follow me and follow the procedures. Will definitely get it as free as I promise. That's just one thing about me. The next thing is, so this guy was trying to sell a content for me. He said he want to correct that in point, but if I want to pay, I wanted to play the audio here, but because I don't want to take things so much easy like that, so I just ignored him. So later on, one of my VIP members said he can do it for me, so she even sent me a clip and I watched it and understand it. I'm going to deliver it to you. And what I was even telling that man, say even if he sold it to me, I don't have problem with that, as far as I'm giving it out to my student for free. So any I can use my own money, buy content here, deliver it, give out for free. My own is just to help the struggling traders around the world understand how to make profit from this boom and crash system of 18 on forex trading, because sometimes there are some just little information you just need to somebody to enlighten you with, before you know you have captured and configure everything with yourself. So please try and understand what is meant by AGA Forex. We are just here to help struggling traders. If you have any problem, please come to us. If you think we do something that is not right, please just kindly come us. You can email us. We have our email and our social media contact here. Even you can leave online message for me on WhatsApp, Telegram, everything. Please, if you have any info, any negative thought about us also, please just drop a comment here. I'll definitely respond to it. If it is something that I can apologize, fine, I will apologize. I'm not earning anything here. I'm just trying to help struggling traders. As I always say, I'm here to help struggling traders like me to catch up with the financial system of the world. Nice to meet you. Nice for today. And I'll close this position now. After I close this position, you see I got it with $50. I'm closing it right away from you here, and I will go and show you, because initially I reached 10%, 20% of this account, which is $1,000. The market reached almost up to $700+ minus. So the market has already come back to its position. Now you see 51. So I'm closing with 51 here. I'm closing with 51. So let me close it. Closed. Done. You see, look at it here. This is what I got today. $324.75 with BOOM&CRASH, with my VIP, with look at it here. Everything. Only $10 can do this for. If you cannot just follow the simple rule, because we have a condition for our BIP, I'm sorry to say. You just have to open your account so that your account is being linked to our affiliate, because we had a contract with most of those companies. So when we are trading people with real accounts, there are some instances that we ask the company to start paying you some things, you as a trader. So I'll get to introduce some people about it and how we can do it, because ordinarily, if you have a capital of at least $5,000, you can be able to generate a very huge amount of money with you just by trading your account. So all those one will be reviewed in my course very soon. Probably I cannot say the time for now, but this is what you should just understand. Anytime you are trading a market, whenever you have a stock trade, try and make sure you use a very, very low percentage of your account, at least for good risk account, for good risk management and good money management. That is what will help your account to grow the way you want it. And sometimes it may be one of two things with respect to structure. Try and understand what this market fully tells. Let me show you what I mean. Try and understand something. When market did not break below the swing high now, you know that this market is in is still in an uptrend, downtrend. Sorry. When the market did not break below the swing low, you should know that this market is strongly in an. When you are analyzing this market, you will have to think of one or two things. Where the market is coming up from up to down, from uptrend to downtrend. One market did not break previous swing low, that market is still in an uptrend. There is no any transition that will make you to continue shorting that market. You have to wait, because that market is still in an uptrend. If market did not break it on previous swing high, that market is still in downtrend. So that's what you should understand. So let me show you one of two things before I finished. And okay, look at it here. Yeah, let me show you something here. So you have to just understand what you are doing and imagine this thing. Okay, like now, look at it here. You see, from here, this is where the market started up. From here, the market go from here all the way down up here. You see this kind of upward movement. You see from this point. You see, market go up to this point. But what happened? The market continues to go down. You see what I'm telling you. It's not that I'm doing magic, but I know what I'm saying. You just have to understand your price action, understand your market structure, understand your basic support and resistance level that makes the market act to it. I just closed this position with $50 now because I know the market will spike. Look at it. Just 2 minutes as I'm talking to you, just 2 minutes market spiked here. Look at it. Market spiked. The market just spiked. Boom, 1,000 spiked. Just 2 to 3 minutes ago. Look at it here. The market just spiked. So when I'm telling you something, I'm not telling you just ordinary shit, you know. I'm just trying to help you understand what you are doing as a trader. There are some secret things that people cannot just tell you without you paying them money. I understand such things. So that's why I'm here to help any struggling trader. They are here. Even if you saw a content somewhere else that you cannot afford to buy, fine, you can let me know. I can decide to afford to buy it. At least if I buy it and I'll share it for free. I don't have a problem with that. I'm just trying to help struggling trader. Any valuable thing you bring for me, as far as I can help you do it, I can definitely generate such cool amount of money for myself and for everybody. So that's my account here. You see, I generated $320 something today, and this is a real account. Look at it. This is a real account. Some people will start asking me, yes, I'm trading a real account. It's because I'm giving you a signal from my real account. That's why I'm trying to give you a signal from my deep down life. Because I will never fall your hand with my signal. I will never harm you with my signal. I will make sure you enjoy the best of your life with my signal. This is AGA Forex here. I'm here to give you value for free. I'm here to give you anything that I want to get for free. AGA Forex. Nice to see you. Bye. See you in my next video very soon. This week or next week, I'll release a video on how to trade Autobot for those that want to grow small account. 2 candles, 3 candles. Autobot that will be trading for you in short run period of time. You can be able to get some cool pips. I'm going to show you everything that has to do with this boom and crash system, synthetics index, TEF index, volatility 75, volatility 500, forex trading, stock, gold, and this crude oil. I can trade crude oil very well. If you want to invest good money, you can contact me so that we can. If you want to do account management, I don't have a problem as far as you are having reasonable account of money, because crude oil is paying good money. Crude oil is paying good money. That's what you should understand. As a trader, you can be versatile. You can be trade anything. There is no any currency pair. There is no any fundamental or any trading instrument that I'm not trading in this world. I'm trading everything that comes to my way. As far as you follow price action follow you. You follow my strategy. You follow my trading plan. You follow my own trading system. My next video, I'm going to talk about what it means by trading system. Sometimes you just see somebody is just trading. You cannot just be trading. You have to know what you are doing. If you are just trading, you will not get all these information. If you are just trading, before you trade, you must have a strategy. If you have a strategy, you still have to have some factors of confluence, some things that will determine you to help you guide. At least this is This is my real account. AGA Forex, live from here. Next to see my next video. Bye. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, comment positively if I do something positive, comment negatively if I did something negative, and dislike this video if I did something wrong. If you contact me, I'll be ready to apologize. You see, as I'm just closing my mouth, a spike happened from this live account, but I have closed my trades. Look at it here. I'm just talking to you, a spike just caught me. You see, I'm giving you value here for free. Look at it. All these red candles. Look at it. All these red candles. Where are they coming from? AGA Forex is giving you value for free. So because I know that point is a point where my market can spike, I definitely know market will spike and exited the market. This is AGA Forex. Nice to meet you next time. Nice to meet you in my next video. Bye.